Hello guys, watch to the end and see what you need to carry and what not you need to carry, and prepare yourself to put the full armor of God. You're welcome guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, like, share the video, guys. So here today I'm in Heaven's Gate, and it's so peaceful. And also, to spend my birthday with me. You can tell me, can wish me happy birthday down below, and enjoy the views, guys. Here is so peaceful. So right now people are not here. People have already gone for service. So you can just take the video. So guys, it's so peaceful. You can come if you want something, if you want to pray for something. Yes, you can just come here and comment down below if you want me to tell you what what you need for you to come in this place. The day it's so peaceful. Enjoy the view. But these are some of the places that people come to pray. See how it is. But right now people are not there, so you can just take the video. Enjoy the video, guys. By then ni birthday. Spend my birthday with me in Heaven's Gate. Love you. Enjoy the view.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really.
So this is the stairs. Like people use this road to go up. Like these are some of it. Like this is the mountain where people pray. Huku, unaona huku ndo watu wanaomba hivyo. Alafu saa hizi watu walikuwa wameenda, people had gone for that there's a service that happens at from 12:30, I think 1 to 2. So people were not around here. That's why I was able to take the video. But it's not like you cannot take the video if people are praying this side. So yes, guys, these are some of the view. Unaona church iko huko, the green one, the green. Okay, you cannot view it from here. Maybe let me reach somewhere here. And guys, here I was so tired. Guys, I was too tired, but we gotta do what you gotta do. So here is my clothes. You need to wear something presentable, but even this one was not presentable. You're supposed to wear something that is until down there. But hey, let's do this. Sincerely, guys, I'm tired. But whoa. You see the mountain? so peaceful, guys. If you have anything that is disturbing your life, come here and vent to your God. He's sure, his mercy, his goodness shall follow you all the days of your life, because God is so good. God is so loving. Oh, are you seeing the mountain? Yes, that is the mountain, and there is the church. So we cannot, like, you're not allowed to take videos in the church. Are you seeing the green building here? Yes, this one. Yeah, here is the church where people went to for guys, you can hear from my breath I'm tired. I was climbing this hill here, and imagine, oh, okay. Yes, that is basically it. And here is just the view on how people pray. It is going up there. Ukitaka kuomba, kuja uombe. Come and praise your God. So this is me here, walking with my dress. Here it is. And then you can peep, these sandals are from Sigu's Fashion. If you need them, they're from Zara. If you need them, they're just 1,500 and they are good quality. Good quality, guys. Yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you have anything that is disturbing your life, my dear, if you have thanksgiving, if you have sacrifice, if you're praying for anything, my dear sister, my dear brother, come and enjoy this with me. I'm not just enjoying the view, but prayers. Pray until something happens. You can stay here for 40 days. There's 40 days, there's 21 days, there's 3 days in fasting and prayer. So you'll do you, the one that suits you. Yes. Morning church service. So I was on my way to go and take my tea. So there's a place for cold water, there's a place for hot water, and there's a place for tea. So here we were after, like, in the morning service, there's watch time, that is 12 and that is 3 a.m. So after 3 a.m. we enter into our services. That one is from 5 to Samoja. Because I want to see my bottle there, so I was on my way to go and refill my hot water. Then after that there is tea now. So you can take tea, then you can refill hot water in your bottle. So it is essential you carry your bottle so that you can you can fill in with hot water, just in case maybe you're feeling down, your body is weak, you can take hot water, because here is a place of fasting and prayers, guys. So if you come here, there's a lot of peace that comes in. Maybe if you come here, if you are shattered, if you don't know direction, if you don't know anything, like uko tu hapa, if you come here with prayer and fasting and you petition your everything into God, He will restore you. He's a restorer, guys. So you'll come out of here peaceful.